In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive folder icon. More precisely, you will see how to change the color of a folder in Google Drive so it stands out and is easier to find later. First, open Google Drive. On a computer, this usually means going to the Google Drive website in your browser and signing in if you are not already. Once Drive has loaded, you should see your files and folders in either a list or grid view. A simple tip here, if you have many items, you can use the search bar at the top and type part of the folder name to locate it more quickly. Now find the folder you want to customize. Take a moment to be sure you pick the right one, especially if you have several folders with similar names. You can glance at the last modified date or who owns the folder, which appears beside the name, to confirm you are working with the correct folder before you change anything. Once you have located your folder, right-click the folder. On most computers, that means clicking with the right mouse button or using the trackpad gesture for a right click. When you do this correctly, a small menu appears next to the folder with several options, and the folder name will usually highlight to show which one you are working on. From that menu, select Organize. This option appears along with things like Share and Rename. When you choose Organize, a side menu opens to the right. This is where Google Drive groups a few visual options together so they are easy to reach without leaving the main screen. You do not have to open a new page for this. In that side menu, choose Folder Color. When you hover over Folder Color, you will see a palette of different colors pop up. This panel shows several common colors, from light pastels to stronger shades. A helpful detail is that the current color of your folder is shown as already selected, so you can tell what you are changing from. Finally, select the color you want. Click once on any color tile in the palette. As soon as you click, the palette closes and your folder icon on the main Drive screen changes to that color right away. There is no extra save button. The change applies instantly, so you can try a few colors until one feels right without any risk. Before we finish, a quick note. The color change is only visible to you. It does not change the folder color for other people who have access to it. Other collaborators will still see the default folder color in their own Drive unless they change it themselves. You have just learned how to quickly change a Google Drive folder color so your important folders are easier to spot at a glance. If this helped you organize your Drive, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Google tips.